The third part of the technical analysis is using TA library. So in earlier lecture we were getting some issues here, like if we were adding or data of RSI is greater than 70. Okay, it will throw error, sorry. So we are getting this error. So to remove that error, instead of or, we have to write this operator. So our condition should be, if both the conditions are met, then only we will enter the market. So here value should be less than 70 and it should be greater, it should be, and when we write and, it means both the conditions should met. Okay, so now we will run the, okay, so we'll print this value. Okay, okay, now you are getting true and false. So let's print first 100. Okay, let's set first 50. So if you see the chart, you can see that on 3rd of August we are getting a buy signal. So here you can see in 3rd of August we are getting a buy signal. Okay, so and on the 4th August we are getting a sell because RSI has greater than 70. So whenever you will see that both the conditions buy and sell is true, like here, we will exit. So this would be the exit condition here. And if we see at the chart at 27th August we are getting a buy signal. So let's see the 27th August. Yeah, we are getting the buy signal on 27th August also. So you can see that this is the one of the implementation of buy and sell condition using the technical analysis TA library. Yeah, so that's it guys for today's lecture. So in coming sessions we will do some analysis of our buy and sell conditions and how much value we have added for profit and how much value we have added for loss. These things we can cover in the next lecture. Thank you.